Here we go. SVR.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Porter County in northwestern Indiana, Lake County in northwestern Indiana until 5 p.m.
I think that's us.
At 4:03 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Bridgeport to South Dearrington near Beecher, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour.
I think it's us.
Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage.
I got a ton of life for this.
Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near
That's the wind threat.
Gary, East Chicago, Cherville, Highland, Munster, Cedar Lake, Griffith, Dyer, and St. John around 4:10 p.m. Merrillville and Crown Point around 4:15 p.m.
Oh, complex in it. Oh boy.
Hobart, Lake Station, and New Chicago around 4:20 p.m.
Is that Porter County?
Portage, Burns Harbor, and Ogden Dunes around 4:25 p.m.
Is that Valparaiso?
Chesterton, South Haven, and Porter around 4:30 p.m.
Is that Valparaiso?
Town of Pines and Beverly Shores around 4:35 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
No, Valparaiso yet. We're here. No, Valparaiso will be very here very soon.